Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Pruning in agriculture is a horticultural practice that involves selectively removing certain parts of a plant, such as branches, shoots, or roots. It is done to enhance the plant growth, health, and productivity. Pruning serves several purposes depending on the specific goal and requirement of the plant and the desired outcome. Some common reasons for pruning in agriculture include shaping and training, removing disease or damaged part, stimulating growth and vigor, controlling size and density, and the last one is increased flowering or fruiting. So, we can conclude that it is important to note that pruning techniques are timing vary depending on the specific plant species, growth stage, and the intended purpose of the pruning. Pruning tools such as pruning shears, loppers, or pruning saws are used to make clean cuts and minimize damage to the plant. Proper pruning practices require knowledge and skill to ensure the best possibility result for plant growth and productivity. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Kaisar. I'm going to explain about the nursery management. Firstly, what is the function of nursery? Nursery helps the plants to raise easier and cheaper than in the main field. Nurseries offer an opportunity for selection of vigorous and uniform plants. Nurseries also help to preserve and protect rare and endangered plant species by propagating and growing them in a controlled environment. Plant nurseries provide employment and contribute to the economy by selling plants and gardening supplies to the public. How nursery should be managed? Number one, management of protective fence. Time to time, repairing work of the fence may be needed. Number two, management of roads and beds. To keep the roads and beds free from dust and mud, earth filling and lawn mowing may be needed. Number three, management of irrigation and drainage channels. Channels prepared in the nursery should be kept clean for the easy and good flow of water by removing weeds and seeds.
In rubber plantation, manuring is referred to the practice that applying fertilizer to provide an essential nutrient for the rubber tree. Manuring is an important aspect of the rubber plantation management to ensure healthy tree growth and to maximize rubber production. The type and amount of fertilizer application depends on several factors, including the presence of the yield, the yielding capacity of the clone, the beneficiary, and next is the age and condition of the tree and nutrient supply to the soil and nutrient status of the tree. And lastly is manuring and soil management history. Regular soil testing are usually assessed to the nutrient status and to determine the rates of fertilizer application for a rubber tree. This will help to ensure the right balance of nutrients that is to provide to the rubber tree. This is also will help in promoting healthy growth and the optimal of latex production. For nutrient deficiency symptom, I will only talk about three, three nutrient only, which is nitrogen, magnesium, and manganese. For nitrogen, overall, the plant will look yellow or pale green. And for magnesium, development of chlorosis or yellowing are increased in the intervernal area on the major leaves. And lastly, for fertilizer that contain manganese, the leaf overall will look pale or yellow with bands of green tissue. It will outlining the midrib and the main veins. Manuring in rubber plantation is typically carried out in conjunction with other cultural practices such as cleaning, weed control, and irrigation. This is for support of well-being and productivity of the rubber tree. Proper practice of livelihood is contribute to the sustainability and profitability of rubber plantation.